Yep. Good morning, everyone. It was really interesting to see the recovery in Eurodollar yesterday, despite further confirmation from ECB President Draghi that the Council is contemplating further easing. Eurodollar hit 136.12, the lowest it's been since the May ECB meeting, on both Friday and Monday, but it bounced both times. The fact that that level held twice suggests it may be near or at the bottom. Meanwhile, the 3-month EONIA swap rate 3 months forward is now priced at only 5 basis points. The ECB is unlikely to push its refi rate negative, so 0 is about as far as EONIA can go. So I think the rate cut is largely priced in, and Eurodollar could remain stable until the 5th of June meeting. And indeed, it could rebound slightly after that if the ECB's measures disappoint the market. The market will be listening to more of Draghi and several of his colleagues when they speak later today. The other point of interest was the lack of any response in the yen to a Reuters article saying that, quote, the Bank of Japan has begun shifting its focus from supporting growth to ways of phasing out its massive stimulus. The debate apparently isn't about whether to end the program early, but rather, quote, how long the Bank of Japan should maintain its stimulus after it reaches the 2-year mark in April of 2015. Now, the fact that the yen failed to strengthen on this report suggests that maybe other, more fundamental reasons are behind the currency's decline recently, such as the shrinking current account surplus. That's why I remain bearish on the yen personally. In general, the dollar is opening weaker in Europe against the G10 currencies and mixed against the emerging market currencies. As for today, in the UK, the British Bankers Association mortgage approvals are expected to have fallen in April. There are a large number of indicators due out from the U.S. today. They're generally forecast to show a somewhat disappointing picture of the U.S. economy, which may leave the dollar under further pressure. The main figure will be U.S. durable goods orders for April. They're expected to decline month on month after a rise in the previous month. This indicator, while it's very important for the overall economy, really isn't that market affecting for FX. On average, Eurodollar has moved about plus or minus 0.14% an hour after the indicator comes out, depending on whether it beats estimates or disappoints. We also get some house price data today. All of the FHFA and S&P Case-Shiller house price indices are both estimated to have slowed in March. The preliminary market service sector PMI for May is expected to have been down modestly, and both the Richmond and Dallas manufacturing activity indices for May are forecast to show a decline. But the only U.S. indicator out today that's expected to rise is the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index for May. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google+ to get more trading ideas. This is Marshall Gittler, Global Head of FX Strategy at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.